It's December 24th, still one day before Christmas, and now we are continuing with our demonstration of a Type-C docking station. And as you see here, that we have a special USB drive, which has a special hardware work that only that cuts the USB 2 signaling, so that through this cable only USB 3 signal can pass through without any of USB 2, so that you will see when we later on, when we switch between 4-lane and 2-lane mode, this icon, the Z drive, it will show up or disappear by the switching of the DisplayPort lanes. And also we will switch between this VGA to HDMI, and through the plugin we should be able to see that there will be a BMC signal pass through the scope of the CC signal. Okay, now right now we are at the console. We can see that we are at a two-lane mode. That is, two-lane mode means that the super speed signal is USB 3. So right now we are. So let's first unplug the VGA. And you can see that at the scope that there is a HPD signal pass through. And then let's plug in the HDMI. Okay, you see again that the HPD signal pass through. Actually, there is more than HPD. It's a complete DP alternate mode negotiation. Then HDMI, the screen show up. So we have demonstrated that our video peripheral like a VGA and HDMI, and actually DP is working, but we will neglect this one. Okay, so right now we are going to switch between the 2-lane and the 4-lane mode, and Ma Chao, he will perform his the switching through the console, and you typing again, switching to the 2-lane mode. Okay, so that what we will command Ma Chao to do the 2-lane 4-lane switch, that you should be able to see through the right hand side that what's going on the screen. So Ma Chao, what's the current mode? Tell me. What's the current mode? Okay, I saw it. It is 4-lane mode. Right now we are switching to the 2-lane mode. Can you do it again? Switching to 4-lane mode. And then you can see on the main screen that there is only 2 disk icon. Switch to 2-lane mode. Now there are 3 drive icon. Again, 2-lane mode, 4-lane mode. It disappears. Again. Yes. Okay, it shows up again. So, as you see that we can switch between the 2-lane and 4-lane mode, and the USB 3 interface, it will be there or disappear, so that the icon, the drive will be will appear or disappear. This ends our second introduction of a Type-C docking station. Thanks.